Listen up, kid. Might be a while before you see me again. This world has gone to hell. You can't be soft anymore, understand? Keep on keeping on no matter what gets thrown at you. Fight to survive. Can you do that for me?
Come closer, my sweet. Embrace the darkness within you and surrender to the allure of eternal damnation.
Never thought I'd say this, but there's something about you, Detective. Something dangerous, yet thrilling.
Why me? What did I ever do to deserve this? I just wanted a normal life!
We need CSU here ASAP. This scene needs a thorough sweep for prints and trace evidence. And get me a K9 unit. Let's see if they can pick up a scent trail.
Calibrations are off, plasma thrusters misaligned, and life support is, well, let's just say oxygen rationing is on the menu.
Yeah, this is the most likely parcel takes the supplies. We need to eat them before they reach the... Cachez-vous, it could be them. Restez très tranquille, mon ami.
Quit whining about ammo. If you can't nail a brain with one shot, you ain't got no business out here anyway. Heads up, morons. We've got a herd on our six.